With hundreds of credit cards out there, picking the wrong one could cost you thousands in missed rewards and fees. The perfect card for someone else might be a terrible fit for you. It all comes down to your financial situation, spending habits, and goals. There's no single best card, only the best card for you. We'll break down a simple, step-by-step process to help you find the card that gives you the most value. Forget the hype and flashy bonuses. Let's get strategic. By the end, you'll have a repeatable framework to make the right choice every time. Before looking at any offers, ask yourself, what's my main goal? Want simple cashback? Focus on no-fee cashback cards. Dreaming of free travel? Look at travel rewards cards. Need to build or rebuild credit? Consider secured or student cards. Your goal is the foundation. Be honest about what you want to accomplish. Next, get obsessed with the fees. A great rewards card is worthless if the annual fee eats up your benefits. For most, a no annual fee card is the safest bet. Watch for foreign transaction fees if you travel, and balance transfer fees if consolidating debt. Always read the fine print. Those details matter. Do the math to make sure the rewards outweigh the costs. Pick a card that rewards your actual spending habits. Review your last few months of expenses. Where do you spend most? Choose a card that gives the highest rewards in those categories. If your spending is spread out, a flat-rate cashback card may be best. Let your real data guide your decision, not marketing. APR matters if you ever carry a balance. High interest can wipe out any rewards you earn. 0% intro APR offers are great for big purchases or balance transfers, but know when the promo ends. Always have a plan to pay off your balance before the regular APR kicks in. Don't let interest charges undo your progress. Know your credit score before applying. Applying for cards you can't get hurts your score and wastes time. Use free tools to check your score. Excellent credit opens doors to premium cards. Lower scores mean focusing on credit builder options. Match your application to your score for the best chance of approval. Don't overlook hidden perks. These can save you hundreds. Look for travel insurance, rental car coverage, extended warranties, and cell phone protection. Sometimes perks outweigh the rewards. Compare similar cards based on these benefits. The right perk can tip the scales in your favor. Avoid applying for too many cards at once. Space out applications. Don't chase sign-up bonuses if you can't meet the spending requirement naturally. Never go into debt for rewards. Always pay your bill on time. Set up auto pay to avoid late fees and credit score damage. Smart habits protect your credit and maximize your benefits. That's your 7-step framework for choosing the perfect credit card. It's about matching your goals, spending, and credit to the right card, not chasing hype. The right card will work for you, turning expenses into rewards or building your credit. Take the time to follow these steps and set yourself up for financial success. Have questions or want card reviews? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money tips.